Before history gave it a name, the ancient forest had already begun shaping its story. And within that silent world, a small life opened its eyes to winter. The forest became its first teacher through snow, silence, scent, and patient observation.
Each falling snowflake carried a lesson: how to move, endure, and quietly belong.
Winter was never its enemy. It became the quiet force that shaped its strength.
Snow rested on the surface, while warmth remained protected deep beneath the coat.
Guard hair, middle coat, and soft undercoat, 3 layers working together for one purpose. And as winter slowly released the forest, the young Siberian changed with it. Spring did not erase the winter. It revealed the life that had been waiting beneath it. As the forest grew greener, the young Siberian grew stronger, never apart from nature, but with it. Its strength was never about conquering the forest. It came from knowing how to move within it. The forest was no longer somewhere it explored. It had become the world to which it belonged. Here, it became one quiet heartbeat among thousands. The watcher, never the ruler, of the forest. Then, beyond the river, another world appeared, close enough to notice, yet far enough to respect. Trust did not begin with ownership. It began when 2 worlds learned to share the same quiet space. No one claimed the Siberian, yet through trust and quiet usefulness, it found a place beside the hearth.
Years passed, and the forest cat became a familiar presence in the everyday life of Russia.
Its reputation traveled quietly, not through spectacle, but through generations that learned to trust it. In quiet places where harvests and knowledge were preserved, its steady presence became familiar. While people recorded the passing of their world, the Siberian had already become part of its memory. Long before the world recognized the breed, Russia had already known its strength, balance, and quiet dignity. For the first time, people began to study the familiar forest cat as a recognizable native type. They were not inventing a new cat. They were learning how to preserve what nature had already made. In 1990, documented representatives crossed the ocean, carrying Russia's living heritage into a new world.
On new soil, the journey became a living lineage. 3 small lives carrying an ancient inheritance forward.
In time, the world formally recognized what the forest, and generations of families, had long understood.
Beyond history and recognition, its deepest legacy lives in trust, companionship, and the quiet warmth of home.
The forest did not disappear when the Siberian entered our homes. It learned to live quietly within them.
Every breed has a story.
Every breed has a story. Every story lives forever.